What's good? Huh? Wait, is it recording? Oh. Alright, back. Hey man, why you recording me? Alright. So this is what we're gonna be doing. Smell cute. We're gonna be having it. Nerf gun boy. But I got brother Dylan, my friend Kyle, and my friend Kyle, and we all gonna be having a camera back to back. But most for me. So let's just come on.
Alright, so what's good? It's Caleb's friend on here now. We steady doing this long intro, knowing that we cool. We finna get some guns, bro. Finna get some Nerf guns. Nerf. So, let's get on the beat. And there, here goes Tash. So here goes me. What I'm finna do is I'm gonna get my gun. So Alright, my brothers and sisters, like what Corey Kenshin say. Oh, and by the way, look up Corey Kenshin. Look up Corey Kenshin because he is a man. I subscribe to him, and I'm part of the Samurai Brother and Sister clan. So here go Caleb.
You failed, but come on.
Alright, so here go my gun. And yeah, we finna ask the homie, Dylan. Oh yeah, here goes the dude who took the L on our first video.
Bro, no, don't mention that, my guy.
I'm just playing.
But are you gonna play, my guy?
Oh yeah, here goes Fortnite stuff if y'all can see it.
Come on, bro. Come on.
I guess he's not playing. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna hand it over to Caleb, and we're finna see all the guns that we have. So
Who
Caleb,
said that all the guns that people got?
so
I
Caleb
got
have
100 bullets right here. 100 bullets right here.
Yeah.
In this thing.
Alright.
This dude, he got a couple bullets.
We got a lot.
See this tank? It's invisible. No, seriously, it's actually in this tank, but.
And then here goes me. I have
Some type of pistol.
vortex pistol, and we finna name ourselves.
Alright, just give us 1 second. Think of a name.
Alright.
And don't say it out loud until you know it.
My name is gonna be Kill Bill.
Alright, we got here Kill Bill. What's yours?
Death Shot.
Here we have Death Shot. And get up there.
Now we have our man Uzi Caleb.
Stop.
Alright, so now we finna start the game. Please don't say we lame. Hey, okay.
Alright, subscribe and comment, bro. I'm getting the phone first. You're scared.
Alright.
What's up? Bro, everybody gotta find a hiding spot. Hold up, bro. Stupid right here, my God. this video too long for you, I'm sorry. But still subscribe. Oh. Y'all know me. I was thirsty. I was chopping early in the morning. I'm walk.
Our brothers and sisters are waiting. Oh, by the way, hold up. Let me see something. If you watching this Korea's Kitchen, I freaking love your videos. And please, can you make a Super Smash Bros. Video?
And please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Let's get it started. Now go hide, my guy.
Alright, let's go on. Where,
He hiding. Go find you. Death shot hiding.
Alright, come on.
You be hiding to get his free phone. What are you seeing, bro? Oh no, I'm finna hide, my guy. I'm just gonna be hiding. This has been taking a heck of. Number 2 is over here. Everybody ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Nerf gun. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I see. Can't talk that loud, but this is loud as I can talk.
I got him. Every time we kill each other. Alright, so I got your boy Uzi K. Oh my god.
I got him. You're scared of. You're scared of y'all. Y'all know what it is. I'm watching him. You're scared of. Boom, boom. Boo, boo. Boo. You can steal the phone.